Hello, student of class 10. Today I am going to explain you a new chapter, that is the linear equation in two variables. Chapter 3 of class 10. General form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Linear polynomial in previous chapter you have learned, that is the ax plus by plus c. Now it is the linear equation. So it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant and ax, y are variable. Now one example of linear equation is given here. I have given 5 pens and 7 pencils cost rupees 50. This form you have to change into linear equation. Let 1 pen cost rupees x and 1 pencil cost rupees y. So 5 pen is 5x and 7 pencil is 7y. So 5x plus 7y is equal to 50. It is the form of linear equation. Another example. 7 pen and 5 pencil together cost rupees 46. Equation is 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. These are the linear equation. Now, exercise 3.1 NCERT class 10, exercise 3.1. First question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. These two conditions has given. I underlined this condition. You can see. Represent the solution algebraically and graphically. In two form we have to show that. Now in this age factor, any question you have to make a chart of this, where let present age 7 years ago and age 3 years from now, three condition you have to write. Aftab and his daughter. Let present age of Aftab is x years and daughter is y years. 7 years ago to x minus 7 years and daughter's age is y minus 7 years. They are 7 years before means minus 7. Then 3 years from now, it is x plus 3 years Aftab age and daughter's age y plus 3 years. Now first condition, Aftab age and daughter's age. Aftab was means equal to 7 times the age of his daughter. So it is x minus 7 is equal 7 into y minus 3. Second condition, then Aftab Aftab has said I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So it is x plus 3 is equal to 3 times y plus 3. These two are equation. Now solve these two equation. X minus 7 is equal to 7y minus 49. X minus 7y is equal to, now number will go that side, minus 7 with plus 7. So x minus 7y is equal minus 42. It is the equation 1. Second one is x plus 3 is equal to 3 into this. Now solve it. X minus 3y is equal to 6. It is the second equation. So algebraic representation is x minus 7y is equal to minus 42 and x minus 3y is equal to 6. These two equations are algebraic representation. Now graphical representation. Equation 1. This was x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. We have to take y at the left hand side and rest of the part will go to the right hand side. According to that, minus 7y is equal minus 42 and minus x. Y is equal to 42. Take minus as a common, then this minus will cancel. It is 42 plus x upon 7. Now coordinates of this equation we have to find out, x and y. X is 0, y is 42 plus x upon 2. So it is, if you take 0 for x, 42 plus 0 upon x upon 7. So it is 42 upon 7, it is 6. For the second coordinate, you sure that you have to, the first coordinate of x, add with the denominator. It is the best method. You keep in your mind, you have to add x plus 7, that is the second, and third one is x minus 7. Once you have to add with x this denominator, and next time you have to subtract this denominator. These two values you can get for x. So x is equal to 0 plus 7 is equal to 7, and y is equal to 42 plus 7 upon 7, it is 49 upon 7, it is 7, and wherever we are minus 7, it is minus 7 only. So it is 42 minus 7 upon 7, it is 35 upon 7 is equal to 5. So all the coordinates we have got. When x equals 0, y 6, x 7, y 7, x minus 7, y 5. We have calculated here. Similarly, second equation is x minus 3y is equal to 6 minus 3y. I have told you y should be at the left hand side. So minus 3y is equal to 6 minus x. Y is equal to 6 minus x. Now it is minus, so all the sign will change. Then it is x minus 6 upon 3. Now again, for the coordinate x equal to 0, y is equal to x minus 6 upon 3, this one term. Now 0 minus 6 upon 2 minus 2. Already I have told, for the next value of x, you have to add with 3, and third value is you have to subtract with 3. The denominator you have to subtract. So x is equal to 0 plus 3, 3. Now y is equal to 3 minus 6 upon 3 is equal to minus 3 upon minus 3 is equal to minus 1. And when we are subtracting, it is minus 3. And put the value minus 9 upon 3 is equal to minus 3. So 3 pair of coordinate we got. At least 3 pair you have to find out. Now you plot this graph on the graph paper. Is the x-axis and y-axis. 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2 gap we have taken for the scale. Now all these points you 0 minus 2. It is 0 minus 2, this point. Next is 3 minus 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1, this point. Next is minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3. Now join these 3 points. This is the equation of x minus 3x equal to 6. And first is 0, 6. 0, y-axis 6. Then 7, 7. X-axis 7. Y-axis also 7. This point. Next is minus 7, 5. Minus 7 x-axis and 5 y-axis. Now join these 3 points. It is the equation of x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. It is the graphical representation of this equation. Now second question. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Graphically or geometrically can write there. Now solution for algebraically same. We have to take cost of one bat is x and cost of one ball is y. So equation is 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900, and equation, the second condition, equation x plus 3y is equal to 1,300. This is the two equation. This is the representation of algebraically. Now graphical representation. These two equation we have to find out the y is equal to this. Now for this coordinate is x is equal to and y is equal, as this number is very big number. So you have to take x, value of x, not 1 2 3, that should be a bigger number. You have to take more than 100. That is, I have taken at 100. X is equal to 300 I have taken. So 1000 minus 300, 1300 minus 300 is 1000. 1000 upon 2, 500. Next I have taken 500. 1300 minus 500, 800 upon 2, 400. Next I have taken 700. 1300 minus 700, 600 upon 2 is 300. Similarly, second equation also, you have to take the big numbers, 100, 400 and 700 you have taken. These coordinates you have got. These coordinates we have to plot in a graph. This graph is, now the graph is here I have given. This is the equation of the first graph, 3x plus 6y is equal 3900, and this graph is, this line is equation of x plus 3y is equal to 1300. Here I have taken the scale. One box is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 in this way, and same in x-axis also 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 in this way. It is the graphical representation of the statement. Next, question number 3. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 3 kg of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Now, first algebraic representation. Let cost of 1 kg of apple rupees x and cost of 1 kg of grapes rupees y. So first condition is 2x, 2 kg of apple 2x and y is equal to 1600. 2x plus y is equal to 160. Not okay, 160. And second equation, 4x plus 2y is equal 300. It is the algebraic representation. Now graphical representation. 2x plus y is equal 160. Y is equal 160 minus 2x. Again, coordinate we have to find out. X is equal, as this number is also big number, so we have to take the bigger number. I have taken 50. X 50. So 2 into 50, 100. 160 minus 100 is equal to 60. So y equals 60. Next I have taken 60. So 2 into 60, 120. 160 minus 120, 40. It is 40. When I have taken 70, y is equal to 20. Next equation, 4x plus 2y is equal 300. 2x plus y is equal to 150. So y is equal 150 minus 2x. Similarly, x 50, y 50, x 40, y 70, x 60, y 30. Now, see the graph. Two graphs. According to this coordinate, I have drawn these two graphs. First one is 2x plus y is equal 160. This one graph, and it is 4x plus 2y is equal 300. And scale I have taken 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and here I have taken scale same in y-axis. These two graphs are parallel graph. Now there are only 3 questions in this exercise, and exercise is completed here. Thank you.